Hi everyone, this is Carolynne from Known as Nutty Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make resin eyes for your projects. Really easy, but if you choose that you want to purchase some, I'm going to show you some places where you can get them. All right, so let's go. So this is on Etsy, and all I typed in on the bar was crafting eyes. So they have, people are selling them, whether it's an SVG, which means you can download and print yourself, or you can purchase them already made. Amazon, the same thing. I typed in crafting eyes right here. And again, you're going to get ones that are already made. So that's another way. This is on Pinterest. Same thing. They have it where you can purchase them, or it takes you into somebody's shop where you can print it off. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to print some. So this is the style I chose. I went ahead and I printed it. It is on photo paper, okay? It's matte finish. This one, you can do glossy. It really doesn't matter because once the resin's on, it's going to come out, come out glossy. You can see one eye will probably get cut off because of the size of them. So you can scale it back and whatever if you want. Once you find the ones you want, you're going to go ahead and cut out the two pairs of eyes. And you're going to come over here to my little workstation. Make sure you have a silicone mat down because you don't want to get the resin on your table. You're going to get the ultraviolet resin clear, okay? This I found at Michael's. This I've had for a year and it's done very well. So I'm going to take this and I'm just going to color in actually the entire eye, both eyes. If I find that there's a bubble in there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a lighter and I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of go over it and it will pop it right out. Once you got your eyes all done, you're going to put it in your ultraviolet machine. This is just a regular nail machine. I'll put it on for 60 seconds, then for 90 seconds after that, and it'll come out and it should come out nice and dry. You can see that how it shines in there and your eyes are done. So that's it. So thanks for coming to Known as Nutty Crafts. And don't forget to like my page and subscribe to it. Have a nice day.